Dear Charo, inutusan ako ni Papa ng bayaran yung kuryente pero hindi ko po binayaran. Nahikayat kasi ako ng tropa na bumili ng raffle ticket na ang premyo ay isang bagong kotse. Sinabi ko po kay Papa yung ginawa ko at sinuntok niya po ako sa nguso at pinagtatadyakan. Kinabukasan po ay laking gulat namin nung may nakaparadang bagong sasakyan sa harap ng bahay namin. Naiyak po si Papa Ate Charo kasi sasakyan po iyon ng Meralco at puputulan na kami. Binugbog po ulit.
How did you let him go?
It was hard, but I learned to let people go. And I started to realize many people are destined to be on my life journey, but not all of them are with me till the end.
It's my life, it's now or never.